I'm John, moved to North Wales about 5 years ago, and I've been working in a local restaurant, so I decided to set up smash cow sauces. We make like a little range of small bottled sauces for using on food, keep it on your table as a dip, or to cook in a stir fry, or turn it into a curry, those kinds of things, like just nice, easy, accessible, giftable things as well.
So, enw fi ydy Louise McNutt a dwi yn Rheolwr Twf ar gyfer Gogledd ac Canolbarth Cymru. So dwi'n edrych ar ôl cynhyrchwyr newydd neu rei sydd mwy established a trio helpu nhw tyfu busnes bwyd a diod nhw. So mae John o Smashed Cow, mae wedi bod yn gret i weithio fo, mae'n rili agored i gael cymorth lle mae angen o.
O John di arfer efo gweithio efo yn kitchen efo offer fach a un o'r pethau pwysig, pethau da ni'n gallu rhoi allan i'r cwmniad i'r offer sydd gennym ni ar site, offer sy'n rhoi chance i chdi cynhyrchu volume reit mawr, da ni'n sôn am rhyw 200 o literi.
All of the equipment is here for you already, so if I wanted to set up my own business from my own premises, like when I started doing it, it would have cost me many thousands of pounds. I used a induction heat sealer today that was bought in for me just so that I could do sealing of jerry cans, which wasn't an item that they had until a couple of months ago, but because of this process of making these sauces, I said to them, I want to be able to sell these little bottles to restaurants, but they don't want to buy little bottles, they want to buy 5-litre bottles, so how can I make that happen?
Byddwn ni'n mentro John efo'r gwaith papur, i dangos o sut pa fydd ni llenwi un o pethau pwysig efo'r food hygiene rating ydy'r food safety management system. A mae hwnna'n hanfodol bod o'n deall hynny ac yn gwybod sut i llenwi o. So mae hynny'n rhan o'r mentro da ni'n neud yn y ganolfan mewn ffordd, rhan o'r project Helix.
So mae lot o'r rhaglenni Llywodraeth Cymru yn really complementary i'w gilydd, so da ni'n gallu helpu ar yr ochr busnes. Enghraifft, mae John wedi cael help i wneud siŵr bod o'n barod i'r farchnad, mae wedi gwneud bach o prawf fasnachu efo ni. Da ni'n gallu helpu efo'r ochr masnachol, a'r product development yn dod gan Ganolfan Bwyd. So, a'r client sydd yn y canol o hyd, dyna di ffocws ni gyd. Da ni eisiau gweld y busnes yma'n ffynnu ac yn tyfu,